In today's video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about Notion relations and rollups. These are powerful tools that might sound complicated at first, but they're actually quite simple and, once understood, can revolutionize the way you use Notion. Think of them as the bridges that let your databases talk to each other, creating a seamless flow of information. Let's dive right in and explore what relations are all about. A relation in Notion functions as a connection between two databases. Imagine it as a way of saying, this item relates to that item over there. For example, if you have two databases, say, workouts and muscle groups, creating a relation between them allows you to map specific workouts to the muscle groups they target. Picture this. A bench press workout can be linked to the chest muscle group, squats to legs, and planks to core. Essentially, relations in Notion allow items to be linked together in a tidy, organized manner, almost like a more intelligent form of tagging. Now that you understand relations, let's talk about rollups, which take these connections a step further. A rollup gathers information from a related database and either summarizes it or extracts specific data. The key thing to remember is that rollups only come into play after you've created a relation. For example, if your bench press is linked to the chest muscle group, a rollup can aggregate data such as the number of workouts involving the chest, the latest date you focused on chest exercises, the total weight lifted, or even the highest single weight logged. Rollups effectively gather all these connected data points to give you an insightful summary. To make this even simpler, let's think in terms of an analogy. Imagine you have two lists, one for students and one for classes. A relation here would indicate which students are enrolled in which classes, like John is in math and English, while Anna is enrolled in science. Conversely, a rollup would provide details about those classes, such as how many classes a student like John is taking or what days they're scheduled. To further simplify, let's use an example involving a workout tracker. If you have a database for workouts containing details like date, exercise, weight, and reps, and another database for muscle groups such as chest, back, and legs, you can link these two with a relation. This allows you to line up workouts with the muscle groups they target: bench press to chest, deadlifts to back, squats to legs. Then, in the muscle groups database, you'd set up a rollup to show how often each muscle group was trained in a specific time frame, perhaps indicating the number of workouts completed within a month. Instantly, your chest section might reveal it was part of 6 workouts, while legs might show up in 4. This automatic tracking provides a quick view of your progress. With the capabilities of relations and rollups, Notion enables you to track progress across various domains, build informative dashboards, link notes to tasks, align projects with deadlines, and even craft personalized calendars for fitness, finance, or other pursuits. Essentially, relations and rollups form the backbone of intricate Notion systems, facilitating a cohesive and dynamic workspace.